good morning from Viñuela. That's the view from this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a separate toilet house. The property is located in Viñuela. It has, I don't know if you can see here, it's got lots of parking. It also has 2 storage rooms underneath, which unfortunately won't be on this video. But just to give you an idea, I mean, these views are amazing. Behind that cloud there is Lama Roma. The house has had work done recently and the swimming pool is being renovated, but the area around the pool still needs to be finished. The neighbours have put stairs here going up to the top garden, which you'll see when I go back upstairs. There, at the moment there's no railings or anything. If this was me, I would put glass all the way along there as a wind and sound barrier, and then you will get that amazing view whilst sitting in your swimming pool. Let's go inside and have a look. So the downstairs has a living room with wooden beams. Let's stand over here so you can see a bit better. Fireplace. There is an opening into a kitchen area. The house has got a lot of potential. So this is the other door into the house from the terrace, and look at those views. I mean, a nice big window here, or even bigger doors would be what I would be looking at doing, and the same with here. You can see lovely views, but that's quite a small window. There's a water closet, cupboard under the stairs. Okay, so this is an outside wall where the garden is. It needs to be tanked, but that is the only thing that I can see wrong with this property. Something quite easy to fix and remedy. Has marble stairs. I mean, I love these marble stairs. They're a beautiful colour. I've got grey in my house and I wish I had this nice warm colour. This is a door, which I'll show you afterwards, but there's stairs that go down to the driveway and the garden. So on this level there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This bathroom has a bath with a shower over the top, so that's the general family bathroom. There are 3 double bedrooms, air conditioning, built-in wardrobes. So this here is a communal area where they play petanque. There's a barbecue. I've got a video of this morning when we were here just listening to the birds. It's beautiful. Very high ceilings up here. As you can see, doesn't appear to be any issues with this property apart from the wall downstairs. As you can see up here, it all seems correct with no issues. This is bedroom number 2, has air conditioning, big double bed, also has built-in wardrobes, and from here it has a lovely lake view. We're going to the master bedroom now, which is bedroom number 3. It's a lot bigger. I mean, look at that. I mean, that to me, I live on the coast, but I wish I had that view. The sea doesn't change, but that river, the rivers that run into this reservoir change the colours. You know, it's one day it's a mirror, the next day it's aquamarine, the next day it's like a grey. It's beautiful, and that would be, without the cloud, Lama Roma, where there's wild horses, eagles. And this is the ensuite shower, and this bedroom also has large wardrobes and the high ceilings. I'll just pop out here so you can see the terrace from here. So these are the views from the master bedroom. BluCee Real Estate actually have the keys for this property. So if you want a viewing, just contact us and we can arrange that anytime. I will be posting a 360 tour so you can slowly go around the property at your own leisure. Obviously you can watch my video again and listen to my boring voice, but I will post a 360 tour as well. This garden, you could excavate all of this right back to the wall at the top. It's a very large space. And this is the wall that needs to be tanked properly because of the damp. And then this is where you could put stairs from the top garden going down. But look at those views. This is a lovely property, currently on the market with BluCee Real Estate. As I said, we do have the keys to this property. If you are interested, please contact us. We'd love to help you.